Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now, Marcia talks about herself. She's talked about how she's been talked about on social media on a daily, but she doesn't want all of it, and she's going on and doing her thing just like she wants to, living her life the way she wants to, and the way that she feels is best for her. She said it's a daily thing. People don't give it a break, but she's there and she's just doing her thing, making sure that her life is running smoothly in the way that she wants it to be run. And you guys would have to go ahead and catch a video to hear what Marcy has to say about this situation and about what has been happening on social media with her. So go ahead and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, I would wish you a happy, happy birthday. I wish you joy, peace, love, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies out there and my supporters, have yourselves a wonderful afternoon.
On with me first. That's all. Uh-huh. Yes, my dear. If people on social media is like the amount of gossiping out there, unnecessary gossiping. It's such a shame for see how the amount of social media behave and nobody know each other. Them not have no history. So it don't even make no sense them out there talk. Cause them know say so. Them know say so the world run already. That is my advice to them. None of them don't know each other. They are social media people. And them out there cussing and arguing over foolishness. Everybody knows how social media stay. You tell one blogger something and them go tell this one here. Because everybody always try to friend the bloggers them, each other, especially if you're big. Because it doesn't matter who you are out here, you are a celebrity. It no matter how people take us, we are a celebrity. Me go out pan road and people come and scream out pan me. Me go Jamaica, people scream out pan me. Oh my gosh, I can't believe. I go into hairdresser place, me go a restaurant, me go to the mall, people run up to me. Oh my gosh, Marcia, I can't believe it. Let me take a picture. Let me call so-and-so. People take us for celebrity. So what happened is this. Everybody want to talk to everybody. Once you're out of social media and you're popular, everybody want to be friend with you. And that's what happened. We are social media celebrity. Regardless or not, you people feel like say we're not big out here. But we are big. Me get a lot of response. When I go out on the street and people beat me. When I go into restaurant and just see when people are stare and people, am I see this? Oh my gosh. And the reaction. So everybody wants to be friend with everybody. You understand? They want to be friends. And when they go up on the phone now, them facing now, they can't trust the person. Them facing they can't trust the person. But them have to check the reality and say, listen to me. Me don't know these, none of them don't know each other. And them know say so you go, if our one friend cannot chat with, what you expect stranger go do? You remember saying all of us have a different looks. We have a different lifestyles. We have a different personality. And regardless of who we are out on social media, you might think that people like the way you are. But them don't like you. I know everything that we do, people like it. Even my dieted supporters, them up here. I know everything that me do, them like. But what happened? Then come for my page said because I'm entertaining. The haters them I watch, them no log on. But them come because say them already program in their mind. Say listen, we are gonna check, even though a lot of people say a lot of things about me out of social media. And the people who say them with me on my page, them still go out and go over the negative page, just for hear, where the person them we are fight against me. Even though them see me every day and know say I know so going, but it's just their attention span. And because they're looking for a mistake, they're looking for something to say, so and so, she thinks she all that and she has struggle. She thinks she all that and she don't have nowhere to live. She thinks she all that and she broke. I mean, people wants to hear something. And them are the same one come back and call me down my phone. Marcia, you know so and so over there, and 100 times I'm going to tell them why I listen to them. Them call me in a ball, some of them. I say, what you cry for? Boy, I say, I don't like how them talk to you. My thing is to this, where you go over there listen to them for? Me not understand. That is what I say to them. Where you gone over there, gone listen for them for? And you know, see a blogging them, I don't forget money. Eh? Look how the boy in the car take me video them every day and go over there go put in a film way. And him have whole heap of audience to listen to him. Me even go over there today and pass by and me see the comment where one woman I say, which part me live? Me can't stretch one hand to the other hand. And which part me live? Me a government thing and all kind of something and me can't stretch one. And look how my place big. My living room is 2 times one bedroom. Me have a walkway. Me have a walkway from me have a long passageway from up in the from down at this down at my finger down at the railing there. Come all the way down so. Where me can run up and down like a Cayman as racehorse. Over there so the window over there so my living room is 2 bedroom. Right there so alone me can do exercise. Me can run from one wall to the other. And you gonna and the person say, which part me live? Me can't even stretch one hand there so to the other hand. And look how my bedroom big. And me can't stretch hand there so. And look how far. Look how far the wall is. Look how far. Look how far. Look how far the wall is over there so. Look how far the wall is. Way over there some and the kitchen there way down the bottom. And this is to show you how people love to talk. My apartment is a loft me live in. You understand? And this is to show you how people wants to put you down. You understand? So that's what I'm saying. And I don't even care nothing in here yet for decorate nor nothing. I don't even want to do those things. Me not put up no picture, me not put up nothing. Me not put up all nothing like type of something. I don't even care. Because me said, oh, me I live my life, no me not worry about vanity. I don't even care if I put up nothing. Me not carry no flowers, me not carry nothing. Because me said me I live certain way from December. Me alright. Me see what it is now. All I need is a good place to sleep, a roof for your head. And go enjoy yourself and live a life and praise God. That is it. You don't even care about the man. And stuff. It no matter what you do. You have kitchen. Oh, one him all a custody there. Oh, me have kitchen and me say me a cook and me not cook. It's because me no want dirty up nothing and me no want wash nothing. All them liberty there. And that is crazy. That is real. Me go eat some salad right now because me not even eat nothing really for morning. More than a little food I eat in a plate, a little mashed potato and make for roll me. I'm going to make a bowl of salad right now because I know my salad spoil. Or tomorrow I take a push up in a machine and make some green juice with them. Bullshit. I don't call me name out. In time I know they talk about a take people man. Go look on the whole world. All the way I take people man. Some of them have pitney with married man. I never have pitney with married man yet. I never have no pitney with nobody man yet. You understand? Me have to be free. Me not care who have woman or who no want woman. Give me my time. That's all. Me not call woman. Woman not call me. Anytime me call him, I say listen to me. Come do this for me. I do that for me. Me going to the mall or you going to the mall or where you want to carry me. I want to go to the movie. I want to go out for dinner. That's you come give me my time. I don't give one ras. Whether you want to have woman or have woman, that nothing to do with me. As long as you don't married, me not chat is me will talk to you. If you're married, me not talk to you. If you as long as me tell you say listen, I want to go out Friday. You give me my Friday. You understand? As long as if me want something and you whatever it is, that's it. You know, me not like people people are out here, they need to find something to do. Make sure if you come out and come mess with me, I'm telling you, straight up, I'm going to your job. I know where you work. I don't have the time to argue with you. Because them now play people job nowadays who come on social media and trouble people. That is it. You want to mess with me? I go straight to your workplace. Me hit you where the pocket is. That is it. Because I not see you. I not even hear nothing about a girl left for months. I not hear nothing about her. But you call my name in a video. Now call my name. As long as I don't feel man, me I take. If I feel man, me I take. I must see your man, me I take. So you can't come fight me. Any man me I chat to right now, and a woman could step up to me, your woman in a problem. Me not ask you. If the man me I talk to, and him have a woman, and the woman come step up to me, the woman in a problem. Me I tell her straight up. I mean not take back no talk. She in a big problem. She would have get more bun, pan top of bun. Might as well she decide to go about her business. Because that means that the man the way the man they treat me and do whatever it is, they've obviously a love gone. For a man start give a woman born a love gone. If a man can't do certain things, me I tell you the truth. If a man, trust me, any man where out there give woman born, I give a woman born, is lacking of something in the household. And lose respect for you. Yeah, me tell you, because I only catch alone old man. If you make a man stay in the house. Once a man start cheat on you, there is issue in the household. Deep issues in the household. Once a man start cheat on you. And if a one-time cheating, I want to go two-time cheating, in go out of town, and in go cheat when you a different business. But if you live in the same house and the man I see you all the time, and I go certain places with you and doing whatever it is and whatever, and depend video a chat, what a way in bowl. So you go tell me say in a live in a heart for a turn like this, a man have woman and come in a video a chat, and somebody not recognize him voice, and go tell him woman or whatever cause problem already. You tell me no. So why would I come on video? Why would I come on video and expressing love to me? Why would he come and why would he put him in voice? You tell me say she don't please. Please. Why would he why you think why if a man or talk to a woman and he more come on social media and come put in voice in a video and I do all kind of things, that means a relationship done with the other woman. Where you don't agree with, Curly? Where you don't agree with? You're not going to agree with me, but it's true. If a man have a gay bun, then you have some problems. It's lacking something in the relationship. I don't know which part you agree with me with. But I'm saying with you, if you're going out with a man and you have a woman out there, him not put him voice on camera. When I put him voice on camera, then you could tell me say nobody in a town no say a woman I talk to, please. Then I wish family you have. When you tell me say you have family, what kind of family? What your family we have? How much pitney you have? Where your family there? Me know him brother and his sisters them and his son. Then what kind of family you have? Then how much family you have, so? Me want to know what kind of family. You must think say some man we are treating man or things you come on Facebook camera and in a video chat. Enough time I have to put the camera up on mute. So people don't know my business. And I must say time when I chat. I put the camera up on mute for hide him hide. I mean I have to hide nothing. Me never know that. Me am in a public park or public mall. Look on big mall. Me ain't go in a mall and walk up and down hold hand, hugging up. Then I will me hide. But it's not easy. Then what? Then if you ask somebody, then we are do a mall and people can book you up. We are doing a public restaurant. And I only And the restaurant we go up here, popular place. Most man give problem. And when they do, well, a man then call. Man will always give problem. That's how nowadays you have to go settle with 1, 2, 3 woman by no side. Because man rush and call all of them gone turn boom bye. So the woman them have to get used to it. So there goes the side chick and here goes the second woman and the third woman. Yes, so if the woman them not treat the man them good in a certain way, them wouldn't have to turn to man. And if the man them not treat the woman good, they wouldn't have to turn to woman. Because lot of woman turn from man because them don't treat them good and then gone turn lesbian and they didn't born that way. A lot of women out there, them have whole of children and you realize them are married to later down in their life. So if them did get good treatment from man, they wouldn't go turn lesbian. Vice versa. You understand? Because a lot of them know it's not born with it, it's because of a treatment where them get. You understand? And them just say, you know what? Since that the law change and it's the norm in the country, let me go there with one woman. So are the same thing. So it don't make no sense. Well, God help me above me stick to my own kind. From until me go me bed. Me dead. Straight dicky all the way straight. Because sometime you know, them always a blame man to the problem. Bird can't fly upon one wings. It's always two of the issues. No matter what, as I told you, some of these men them have psychological problem. Them see certain things stress. So you can't say that. It's both parties. It's lacking something. But I'm just saying, when me tell you something, when man are hide, them don't go in a public with a man. Them are going to tell them now go. May I tell you straight up. Then look how place big, look how place big. And look how me popular on social media. So if me have something to hide, when me look how me popular for people come know me and for go snap picture with me. You don't think so me a big, you don't think so me big around here, you can't stay there. If them not know him, them know me. So once them see two away walk, they must see a Marcia man that. Me and him go shopping all the time. In a store, people bought me up. A lot of supporter bought me up with me and him. In the store shopping. Many times me and him go into the car and go shopping. Right over Coparco. And you know see over there so every black people there. We in a Burlington. We in a stop and shop together. Look how much time it's the supporters. We in a stop and shop. We go stop and shop. We go in a sometime we got the mall and me say stay in the car. I say me not stay in the car. Me say me not buy take no picture and say me don't care. In come right in the store. Me see several supporters I meet in a me them can come testify to. Me meet in a where you call it? In a where my favorite store, Rainbow. And him did it right with me. Hold my bag, and follow and doing shopping. And then coming in there Jamaicans. So me said, don't take no picture put for me. I said, no, Marcia, I wouldn't do that. So them can come testified. So why would I be going look over Coparco, over there so we're popular, where every black people go. Go gym, go in a Burlington, go in a all of them places. Why would I be hiding? Look over there so, a black people place. You fi stop it, man. Go take a man for yourself. Don't call my name out. Stay in your mix-up. And don't call my name out. You understand? Me don't know where you come and call my name. For you to see me quiet. I'm in a business with nothing. Don't call my name.